Hello viewers, if you're working as a site engineer and you have to calculate the quantity of concrete and its component. From components I mean cement, sand and the gravel. So you don't need to worry. Here are the few steps and what are these steps to calculate. So first of all, if you are given with the specific design and dimensions, let's suppose we take a design or a slab with the length 40 and with the width 30 and the slab thickness is 6 inch. So if I calculate, so the result is 600 CFT. So this is the volume in the wet form. So what is wet form and the dry form volume? I will discuss this. Okay, so if you can see, here is the 600 CFT volume. So let's put the volume here, 600 CFT. It's a wet volume. Okay, and the ratio we will use in this lab is 1 to 4, and for all the ratios, if you want it to calculate, you can do it any ratio. If you want to 1 to 4, it's or if you want 148 or 114 to 112, 113, any ratio you want to calculate. All the methods are same to calculate. Okay, so the wet volume is 600 CFT. The ratio is 1 to 4. Let's add these ratios first. Any ratio you have to add all the ratios 1 to 4. Okay, so the answer is 7. Okay, so the dry volume, we have to calculate the dry volume first, because the material supplier send the material in the dry form, in the dry volume. So let's find the dry volume, which is equal to wet volume into 1.54. This is the constant to derive the dry volume. Okay, so we have already the wet volume. Wet volume is 600 into 1.54. So what's the answer? 600 into 1.54. Okay, it's 924. 924 CFT is the dry volume. Why we derive the dry volume? Actually, when you mix these three components, cement, sand and the gravel, in dry form, actually it acquires a large volume because of the pores inside. But if you add the water in this mixture, so all the pores become filled with the water and make it shrink the volume. So that's why the dry volume is more than the wet volume. Okay, so it's clear now. I hope you guys understand this well. Okay, so the next step is to calculate the cement quantity. So as we know, the ratio is 1 in this ratio. The cement ratio is 1. So let's write 1 divided by the sum of the ratio, which is 7, is equal to 1 divided by 7 is equal to 0.14. Okay, so 0.143. I made it almost round the figure. So 0.143 is the volume. Let's multiply it with the dry volume. 9 to 4 multiply 9 to 4, so it's 132 CFT. 132 CFT is the dry volume of the cement. If I want to calculate it in the bags, so the standard volume in 50 kilogram bag cement is 1.24. so if I want to calculate the bags, so I divide the volume of one cement bag of the given volume of the cement, so it's 105.6 bags. Okay, so cement bags are 105 almost 106 bags numbers. Okay, so if I want to calculate the cent amount, so I will write the cent ratio divided by the sum of the ratio, which is equal to 2 divided by 7, which is 0.2857, almost 0.286 multiply with the volume, dry volume. So what's the result? 9.24, 264 CFT is the required amount of required quantity, required volume of the sand. Okay, and the crush or the gravel quantity is almost the double of the sand. You can easily multiply it with the 2, or let's do it here. For gravel, it's 4 divided by 7 is equal to 4 divided by 7 is 4. Let's on the number 4 divided by 7 multiply with the volume. The answer is 528, which is the double of the sand quantity. So here I showed you guys the way how to calculate, so you can easily calculate anywhere just on the calculator to find out the quantity. So no need to worry about that. I will also upload the more interesting videos about for calculating concrete and the gravel or any other amount. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. So just you can do this, you can do you can do it on the sites anywhere. So please do subscribe my channel for my effort, and also like. Thanks for watching. Take care.